Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to talk about using bleach to kill grass and weeds. It's all over the internet that bleach can kill weeds and grass, but is it a good idea or not? The answer is yes and no. Yes, you can use bleach to kill weeds and grass in your driveway cracks or patio cracks. But don't use it anywhere you have plants you want to keep. Bleach is non-selective, so not only will it kill your weeds, but it will also kill other plants. And it will make your soil so it is infertile for years to come. Bleach is also harmful to kids and pets. If you wish to use bleach to kill weeds, fill your spray bottle with bleach and spray full strength. It will take about 2 to 3 days for your weeds to wilt and turn brown, and then you can pull them up. But why not use a product such as Roundup that isn't toxic to the soil or other plants? You will start seeing results in 3 hours, and you can use it in your flower beds and in your sidewalk cracks. With bleach or Roundup, you don't want to leave dead weeds all over your sidewalk and garden. You can pull them up by hand or use a weed puller. It takes the work and bending out of weeds. With this tool, you may even wish to skip the chemicals altogether. If you have any other backyard questions, click the link below to some of our other videos. We've supplied links to mentioned products, and don't forget to like and subscribe.